Hi, it's Eject, and today I'll show you how to fix no SIM card detected on Samsung Galaxy S20. So first, on top of your phone, right here, is the SIM card slot. Insert something long and thin, like for example a needle, into this hole right here, and then push. As you can see, it opened the SIM card slot. Now take it off. Now take a microfiber and clean this gold side of a SIM card. Also, at this time, restart the phone, and after that, just insert it back inside. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.